Hello everyone! Today I want to create a handbag using vinyl leather. I hope this tutorial can help you to make a handbag. If you have any question about this tutorial, just comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Arden Studio if you like to get more videos about bags making. Thank you and happy crafting! Step 1. Material preparation. Prepare all the materials you need to create this handbag. In this tutorial, we use vinyl leather as the outer and thin polyester fabric as the inner material. Please comment if you need a pattern. These are the accessories that I use for making the handbag. Step 2. Making the handles. Apply glue to this area. And sew along this side. Step 3. Making the bottom. Apply glue to the foam and stick it to the vinyl leather. Then, create the piping for the bottom part. Sew along this area. Step 4. Making the body. Take the body part and fold its side about 1 cm inside. Take the gusset and sew with the body part on this area. Put together the body and the gusset like this. Then sew along this side. Step 5. Putting all parts together. Put the bottom and the body like this and sew along this area. Step 6. Sewing the inner. Sew the zipper closure like this. Put the zipper on the top of inner fabrics. Then sew along this area. Step 7. Putting all parts together. Put the inner inside the outer body. Sew along this area. Now the handbag is ready. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.